Right, you listen, young lady. You see that empty plate? That doesn't mean that you go straight in and lick the hell out of it. You ask first. Don't you turn away from me when I'm talking to you. You ask. No, there's none in there. Nate, next time, if you want to lick the plate... excuse me, I'm talking to you. Excuse me, young lady. Don't you backchat to me. If you want to lick the plate, then you ask. You don't just dive straight in. All right? Are you all right? No, you're not. You don't give a damn, really. I will point out, I do actually wash the plates after she's licked them. Sometimes with my tongue.